Ever thought about the connection between your heart health and the oils you use in your kitchen? Picture this: a versatile oil, a culinary magician, and a heart's best friend, all packed into one bottle. Yes, we're talking about canola oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, low in saturated fats, and laden with omega-3 fatty acids. This oil is a powerhouse of health benefits. Intrigued? What if we told you that a simple switch in your kitchen could make a world of difference to your heart? Meet canola oil, a power-packed potion for your heart and more. This marvelous oil is brimming with benefits that can transform your health and kitchen routines in no time. What makes canola oil a heart's best friend, you ask? Well, it's rich in monounsaturated fats and low in saturated fats. This makes it an excellent ally in lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Canola oil is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats support brain health, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. Plus, canola oil comes packed with the antioxidant power of vitamin E and other antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moving on to the kitchen, canola oil proves to be a versatile companion. With its high smoke point, it's perfect for all types of cooking methods, from sautéing and frying to baking and grilling. And let's not forget about the beauty benefits. Canola oil's moisturizing properties make it a natural choice for skin and hair care. It helps nourish and hydrate, leaving skin soft and hair shiny. Moreover, the vitamin E in canola oil supports a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections. It also provides a quick and sustained energy boost, thanks to its rich source of calories and healthy fats. Isn't it amazing how this one oil can be a game changer for your health and kitchen? So how can you incorporate canola oil into your everyday cooking? Well, it's simpler than you might think. With its high smoke point, canola oil is ideal for sautéing, frying, baking, and grilling. The best part? Its neutral flavor enhances rather than masks the taste of your dishes. Imagine it whisked into a tangy salad dressing, or blended into a marinade for your favorite grilled veggies. Even in baking, it's a game changer. With canola oil, every meal can be a step towards healthier living. From your heart to your hair, canola oil has got you covered. This nutritional powerhouse is not only a friend to your heart, with its rich monounsaturated fats and omega-3 content, but also a versatile companion in your culinary adventures. Its high smoke point makes it perfect for a variety of cooking methods. Plus, its moisturizing properties extend benefits to your skin and hair. So why not make a heart-healthy choice today? Try canola oil in your kitchen and experience the benefits yourself.